early 2014, when two great dealer organizations came together, a Roberts Truck Center that was owned by Blaine and Blair Roberts and Diamond Companies that was owned by Dick Sweeby. At the beginning of the merger, we talked about what do we want to be known for? How do we want to differentiate ourselves in the marketplace? We don't build the product, we don't control all aspects of the pricing, but what we can control is how we treat the customer. We can control the types of employees that we hire and retain, the facilities that we operate in, the markets and the communities that we serve. So that's what we've been developing our culture around, is our employees and how we treat customers, and knowing that those two things will drive our financial results. So the challenge that we have is easy to say that you want to differentiate on customer service, more difficult to implement. But we have taken the first step, which is bringing in our service managers and service writers into this office and training them on things like communication, exemplary customer service, and problem resolution. Those are the people that are touching our customers every day, and our plan is to roll that out to all the rest of the employees that are interacting with our customers on a daily basis. Another step we took in 2015 was laying the foundation for where Summit is going in the future, and that was developing our vision statement. And our vision statement is continuous improvement of employee satisfaction, customer experience, and our financial results. And they're intentionally in that order. We feel like if we have the best, most engaged employees, they're going to provide the best customer experience. And in turn, we're going to get strong financial results. Some of the investments we've made in our people so far this year is we've hired a senior vice president of HR who has been in the industry a long time and is displaying great leadership, Greg Hanno. We also brought in Andy Havner, director of environmental and safety. So they're both on board providing leadership to our employees. We also executed our ESI program this year, which was the first time we've ever done this, Employee Satisfaction Index, where Greg went to each location and talked to employees to understand what issues they have in their markets. And now in 2016, we're taking action on what we heard from our employees. We've also continued to invest in training. This year we did our technician rodeo, as we've done for the past 3 or 4 years, and had great results and great participation from all of our technicians company-wide. So I talked about the employee side of our vision statement. On the customer portion of our vision statement, what we've been investing in recently is our CSI initiative, Customer Satisfaction Index. We've rolled that out in Oklahoma City. We're finally now capturing the voice of the customer, starting in our service departments, so that we can get real data company-wide on how we're performing from a customer satisfaction standpoint. The mission statement that we created this year was to create a safe environment where our employees can prosper both personally and professionally while maximizing our customers' productivity. The direct investment we've made to support our mission statement is we've hired a director of environmental and safety who's put programs in place at our dealerships to make sure that we're operating safely in all the markets that we serve. Reach values were created to serve as a compass for all of us at Summit. We created them to guide how we interact with customers, but also how we treat each other inside of Summit. The word reach carries a lot of meaning here at Summit. And our internal reach values, each letter stands for something. And the R in reach stands for reward results. And E is for empowerment, A is for accountability, C is committed, and H is hero. That's guiding how we interact with each other at Summit. On the customer side of reach, each letter means something a little bit different. The R means resolve needs, the E means exceed expectations, the A is act now, the C is communicate, and the H is heroic. Again, be heroic for your customers. Do something that is above and beyond. Every quarter we recognize one location that's living the reach values, that is focused on customer service, focused on teamwork, and we do that all throughout the year. And then at the end of the year we award a grand winner for their performance to their financial plan. We do a lot to keep reach top of mind inside of Summit. We do all have cards that sit on our desk that remind everybody of what our vision, mission, and values are. We do distribute coins throughout the company when somebody does something exceptional for a fellow employee or a customer. Everything that we've talked about here, the vision, the mission, reach values, we call that the Summit Way.